Apparently not a failure at all. Willie Do getting called out by Mashable.
Really?
Yeah, they called you out by name in the article. If you do a control F on the article, you search Willie Do, they called you out by name.
Oh, no. I love Mashable. Don't do this to me.
Well, Will had all the problems and apprehension around the MagSafe wallet and his credit cards. And he still can lose them, but apparently they are not going to damage your precious cards, and your mag strips on your precious cards. We have some news here that they are safe for both types of magnetic cards, whether it is low coercivity or high coercivity. High co, low co. Yeah, I never even read these terms. I never saw these terms prior to this article, but I'll tell you the difference right now. You have the cards in your wallet, which are your credit cards and things like this. And then you have the cards in your wallet you might have temporarily, like to unlock the hotel room. You know how those ones suck all the time? Loco. Those are loco.
They are loco.
Those are loco.
Yeah.
And that's because I guess they're reprogrammable all the time, whatever else. And they really don't have to be that robust, because if you need to get a new one, you just go back to the lobby. You know how that works.
Yep.
Anyway, they tested it against both, and here's the quote. The leather wallet is shielded, so it's safe for credit cards. The shield protects both low coercivity, high coercivity cards. A fancy way of saying resistant to being demagnetized. So basically they're saying you're safe. I don't know. You obviously want to test it further, Will, because you have your apprehensions, but they have put some type of shield in there. I believe it's, would it be kind of like an RFID? Some kind of a shielding material that's not going to allow that magnet to transfer its nasty juice to your cards, which you wouldn't want to have happen. Now, the question you have of the magnet or the wallet falling off is another thing we got to test coming out the pocket day in and day out. But as we spoke about in the past, neodymium. Is that the way you pronounce that? Neodymium? Anyway, powerful magnets.
Yes.
So you'll probably be okay. And it's amazing how this whole thing is shaping up. I'm sitting here talking about magnets even more. It's amazing how this whole thing's shaping up. It's perfect for Apple.
Yeah.
They're going to sell, how many iPhones? They're going to sell millions of iPhones in 5 minutes. As soon as the thing pre-order goes on, they sell millions of iPhones, and the hype is going to be around things attaching to it with magnets.
Yes.
I mean, it's just perfect, isn't it? I mean, because magnets don't cost thousands of dollars, but it's just funny what works.
Yes.